You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To replace the H4 bulb for the dipped and high beams, remove the electric supply terminal for the bulb by pulling on it. Remove the protective cover. To release the bulb, you must simultaneously push and pull on one part and the other of the bulb to free it from its holding studs. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Put the rubber cover back on. Reattach the connector.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb base and make a turn anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base. Then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.